What if the secret to making your car last forever isn't hidden in the engine, but in the oil running through it? Every driver believes they're protecting their car by changing oil on time. But what if some of those trusted oils are quietly shortening your engine's life with every single mile? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Not all oils are created equal. Behind every glossy bottle and brand slogan hides a battle between real protection and marketing illusion. Some oils are crafted to make engines run longer, cleaner, and cooler. Others are built just to pass lab tests, never to survive real roads, real heat, and real years. And today, we're exposing it all. The truth about engine oils that truly make cars last forever, and the ones that might already be destroying yours. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to pour into your engine, and what to never trust again if you want your car to live decades beyond its limit. Number 1, the oil myth most drivers still believe. Ask 10 drivers about oil, and most will give the same confident answer. As long as I change it on time, my engine's safe. But that's only half true. Modern engines run hotter, faster, and tighter than ever before. Conditions older oils simply can't survive. Cheap conventional blends burn off early, leaving behind carbon sludge that slowly suffocates your engine from within. Then it begins. Timing chains stretch, pistons score, and bearings fail one by one. It's not neglect, it's false confidence, trusting the wrong oil for the right schedule. Real longevity doesn't start with timing. It starts with knowing what your car actually needs, not what the bottle promises. Number 2, synthetic versus conventional, the real divide. Most people hear synthetic and think it's just expensive oil with fancy packaging. But true full synthetic oil isn't just refined. It's chemically engineered from the ground up, molecule by molecule, to survive extreme heat, pressure, and time. It flows faster in the cold, shields longer in the heat, and leaves behind almost zero residue. Meanwhile, conventional oil breaks down, turning golden fluid into black sludge that slowly kills your engine. Engines running on true synthetics often double their lifespan compared to those fed cheap blends. That's why aircraft engines, supercars, and even modern hybrids rely on it. It's not hype, it's chemistry that keeps metal alive. Number 3, the additive trap. Every bottle brags about additives, detergents, stabilizers, friction modifiers. They sound powerful, they sound scientific. But here's the catch. Too much of the wrong additive can destroy the very engine it claims to protect. Some over-the-counter additives don't mix well with factory-formulated oils, creating sludge instead of safety. Others thin the oil, making it useless under heat or heavy load. The best oils don't need miracle potions. They're balanced by engineers, not marketed by slogans. If your oil needs help to do its job, it's not real protection. It's false hope in a bottle. Number 4, the hidden role of oil filters. The best oil in the world means nothing if your filter can't keep up. Cheap filters clog early, leak under pressure, and send dirty oil back through clean engines. It's the silent killer of long-lasting cars. High-quality filters trap microscopic debris, keeping metal surfaces safe and precision parts alive for thousands of extra miles. Yet most people grab the cheapest one on the shelf, thinking it doesn't matter. It does. A $5 filter can destroy a $5,000 engine. That's not maintenance. That's sabotage in slow motion. Number 5, heat. The silent enemy. Engines don't just wear out, they cook from the inside. Every explosion in the cylinder adds heat that creeps into the oil, breaking it down molecule by molecule. Low-grade oils oxidize, forming varnish and carbon that clog filters and choke precision parts. But true synthetic oils resist oxidation, cooling the engine and keeping it clean mile after mile. That's why taxis, trucks, and long-haul vehicles swear by them, because in the war against heat, cheap oil always loses. Every degree you control adds years to your car. Ignore it. and your engine becomes a slow-motion fire. Number 6. The long life oil lie. Extended performance oils sound convenient. Less work, fewer changes, more savings. But here's the truth most labels never mention. Some brands promise 15,000-mile protection, yet in real-world driving, almost no engine stays clean that long. Short trips, humidity, and stop-and-go traffic contaminate oil faster than you realize. Moisture, soot, and fuel dilution sneak in, breaking down even the finest synthetics. Yes, lab tests might prove endurance, but your driveway isn't a lab. Even the best oil gets tired. So trust time, not marketing. Change it early, protect it often. You might lose $30 today, but you'll gain thousands in longevity tomorrow. Number 7, the 0W20 versus 5W30 debate. Thinner oils like 0W20 promise efficiency. Thicker ones like 5W30 promise durability. So which one wins? The truth is, it depends on you. Short trips in cold climates need thinner oil that circulates fast and prevents dry starts. But long drives in hot weather demand thicker oil that stands strong under pressure. Pick wrong, and oil becomes a hazard. Too thin to protect, too thick to flow. The right choice isn't about brand or marketing. It's about condition and care, the trio that decides how long your engine truly lives. Number 8, the forgotten maintenance habit. An oil change means nothing if the rest of the system is falling apart. Your PCV valve, gaskets, and cooling system all decide how long that oil actually stays clean. A bad PCV valve lets moisture and acid build up inside your engine. Leaky gaskets let coolant mix with oil, turning smooth lubrication into sludge. A weak cooling system overheats and cooks the fluid until it dies. Longevity isn't just oil. It's a harmony of protection, and like any chain, it's only as strong as its weakest link. Ignore one, and the whole system collapses. Number 9, the oils that truly last. Not all oils earn their reputation, some prove it. Look for full synthetics with high detergent packages and low volatility. They resist burn-off, fight sludge, and keep engines spotless from the inside out. Brands like Mobil One, Amsoil, and Shell Rotella T6 didn't win fame through ads. They earned it through decades of proof. Engines running them show minimal wear, even after 400,000 miles or more. These aren't marketing winners. They're mileage legends. Because real oil doesn't just lubricate, it preserves, turning metal, motion, and time into one lasting machine. The unspoken truth. Engines don't die from mileage. They die from neglect. And neglect isn't about skipping oil changes. It's about trusting the wrong oil. The secret to engines that live forever isn't magic. It's chemistry, consistency, and care. Choose the right oil. Change it before it's tired. Pair it with a filter that truly protects, and your car can outlive its own badge. Because longevity isn't luck, it's discipline, bottled in golden liquid that separates the careless from the wise. Every drop counts. Because every drop decides how long your engine will live. The final question. Every drop of oil tells a story. Of care, of time, of survival. And your car's future depends on what you pour into it today. So ask yourself, is your oil protecting your engine or quietly wearing it down? Because the difference between 150,000 and 500,000 miles isn't fate. It's a choice. One smart decision made again and again. So tell us, which oil brand do you trust most? Your answer might help another driver save their engine before it's too late. And if you love real car secrets that protect your wallet and your ride, subscribe now. Because the next video might just save your car's life.